There's something incredibly important you were never told. Your body comes with a built-in repair blueprint, a real biological program that knows exactly how to fix, rebuild, and restore itself. You just never activated it. You were led to believe healing is complicated, or that you need the perfect diet, the perfect supplement, the perfect medication. But here's the truth. Your body already knows how to heal. It's programmed to heal. It wants to heal. The only problem is that your repair system has been switched off. It's not broken. I've had clients say, my body just doesn't heal anymore. I feel like I'm falling apart. Nothing works for me. But once we activate the correct biological signals, their sleep returned, their inflammation dropped, their digestion normalized, their mood lifted, their energy came back, and their pain reduced. Not because I fixed them, but because their blueprint finally turned on. So here's some education as to what your repair blueprint actually is. Let's break it down simply. Number 1, cellular communication, which is the instruction manual. Your cells talk to each other using tiny sugar molecules called glycans. This is how your body gives instructions like repair, regenerate, detox, calm inflammation, and activate immunity. When these messages are blocked, the repair stalls. When they're restored, the blueprint wakes up. Number 2, natural cell energy, the power supply. Your internal battery, the mitochondria, gives energy to rebuild tissue, lower inflammation, repair damaged cells, and activate stem cells. Low energy equal blueprint is off. Enough energy equal the blueprint is on. Number 3, your stem cells, your body's repair workers. These are your builders. They replace old, damaged, inflamed tissues with new ones. But builders can't work if detox is blocked, inflammation is high, digestion is poor, communication is weak, and stress is high. Once we fix the basics, stem cells activate. Number 4, the nervous system, the master switch. You can only access your repair blueprint in parasympathetic mode, which is in the rest, digest, repair mode. Stress shuts the blueprint off. Calm turns it on. You never lacked the ability to heal. You lacked activation. Your body isn't against you. It's waiting for the right signals. Let me introduce to you the restoration sequence. The restoration sequence activates your repair blueprint step by step by number 1, open detox pathways. Number 2, hydrate the plus minerals. Number 3, calm the nervous system. Number 4, repair digestion. Number 5, restore cell communication. Number 6, build cellular energy. Number 7, activate your stem cells. And number 8, maintain. This is how your blueprint switches back on. If you feel stuck, slow healing, constant fatigue, inflammation, or pain, it's not because your body is broken, it's because your blueprint hasn't been activated yet. If you'd like to know more where your blueprint is stuck, I offer a free 30-minute health consultation on Zoom. Click the link or comment ready to book.